guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely t-shirt yarn necklace. I'm going to quickly show you how I made it, so let's start. To start, I'm using a size 6mm hook, a scissors, and some t-shirt yarn. So I'm going to do a slips knot, and I'm going to just like that. Then I'm going to chain 35 stitches. If you're a beginner, please check my beginner series on how to chain and how to do a slip knot. So I'm going to chain 35 and come back. Oh, I forgot to say that before you start chaining, just leave some yarn, maybe this size, then you start chaining. Then you do a slip stitch, then you do your chains. Okay, so I'm going to chain 35 and come back. I just did one. Okay, so I've just finished my 35 chains. So what I'm going to do now, into the second chain, not this one, I'm going to do single crochets. So insert my hook in there, grab some yarn, pass it through, and I have 2 loops, and I'm going to grab some yarn again and pass the yarn through both loops, and that is a single crochet. I'll do it one more time. Insert my hook into there, grab some yarn, pass that yarn through, then you have 2 loops, grab some yarn again and pass through the 2 loops. So I'm going to do these single crochets all the way and come back. Okay, so I've done a single crochets all the way, and I'm going to chain 1 just like that. Then when I finish chaining 1, I'm going to grab some of my yarn and I'm going to insert it in there. Hold on. Okay, so when I've done my chain, I'm going to go in between here and I'm going to insert my hook in there, then grab some yarn from the back almost and pull it through like that. Then I'm going to pass through both loops as though I'm doing a single crochet, both loops like that. Going to insert it in there again, grab some yarn and pass through the 2. I'll do it again. You're inserting your hook in the next stitch in there, then you're grabbing your yarn from the back, you pull it through like that. So it's like a twisted single crochet almost. So you're going to continue to do that all the way, and I'm going to come back after that to do the last 3 with you. So I'm inserting in there like that, then I'm grabbing yarn from the back, then I'm pulling it a little bit, then I'm going to pass through both loops. Again, I'm going to go in the next stitch, in there, set my hook in there, grab some yarn from the back, and I'm going to pass through both loops. I'm at my last stitch. I'm going to insert it just like that. You have 2 loops here. Okay, then I pass through. Okay, so when I'm done like this, I'm going to chain, and then I'm gonna cut some yarn, and I'm going to pull through. Okay, so here's how it's looking now. So now I'm going to take some yarn and I'm going to go into the first stitch, this one, like that. Then I'm going to insert the yarn, attach it like that. Then I'm going to chain 1. Right, so after attaching the yarn, I'm going to go into the following stitch, not the following, the same stitch. I'm going to grab same stitch, that first step, grab some of the, okay, I'm going to go into that stitch, grab some yarn, and now I have 2 loops, and I'm going to put this loop into this. So I'm going to slip stitch, slip stitch. Then I'll go to the next stitch, do the same, and I'm going to be slip stitching all across into the next stitch, grab some yarn, and now I have 2 loops, and insert this loop into this loop. Okay, so I'm going to slip stitch. Let me slip stitch 2 more and come back. So insert in there, grab some yarn, you have 2 loops and one goes into the other one, like that. So I'm going to slip stitch and come back, all the way and come back. Okay, so I've reached the end. I'm going to chain and cut. So I've cut, so now I'm going to just pull through that yarn. So you're going to notice that I have some of this loose yarn that I don't want, so I'm simply going to tuck it inside. So no particular method, just tuck it in. Just tucking it in. Okay, and I can cut. Okay, so I'm going to pull this one to come up. Ooh. No particular method, I'm just inserting in and trying to make it come to the top, just like that. And I want it to be in this loop. Yeah, I'll do the same to the other side. I will just tuck the extra yarn, simply tucking inside so that you hide it. No particular method again, and you can tuck it in as much as you want until you feel you cannot see it. Also, like when you tuck it, so that like when you cut it, it won't unravel somewhere else. So you just continue cutting it, tucking it. Okay, let me come back when okay, so that's it. Then what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to make sure that my sides are equal. Right? And you can tie it into your bow. You can put you can tie it like this at the ends if you want. You can put a bead like this, otherwise it's good enough for wear. Let me do a cute bow. Yeah, so this is how you make it. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, bye bye.